Hello, welcome to another Seiler Instrument Quick Tip. I'm Hollier Bain with Seiler, Wisconsin, and we're going to talk about Trimble Maps available in Trimble Access. As long as your license of Trimble Access is current, you have the ability to turn on the background maps in Trimble Access. Using the Layer Manager, go to the Map Files tab, and at the bottom you can turn on the Trimble Maps. Trimble Maps can be aerial photos, street view, or a terrain map. I'm going to turn on the satellite view. With the satellite view at full transparency, it's a little bit hard to see our data. If you go to the three dots, go to transparency, and under the layer images, drag that bar to the left, and the aerial imagery will become a ghost behind your data, and it makes it very easy to see where your data is relative to the street view. A couple troubleshooting items. If you happen to work in 3D, imagery is set down at the ground plane. I have had people complain that the data isn't correct because it doesn't look like it lines up. When you start using the 3D, the north arrow changes to a three-dimensional arrow. When you're in plan view, it's just the north arrow. So now our data is directly overlaid on the photo. If you did a little bit of a shift, notice how the north arrow went to three colors? That means we're looking at an oblique angle. If you just tap on the box, that will take you right back to plan view. Another thing we can do is we can actually bring that aerial imaging up to our data. When you go to the three dots, settings, and scroll down, there's a setting for the ground plane. So right now the aerial imaging is overlaying down at elevation 0. Our project is up at around 690 feet. So if I turn that aerial imaging up to 690 feet, now when we go into the 3D view, our imagery is right with our data. Again, you have to have a valid license of Trimble Access to access the Trimble Maps, and you do have to have internet to get the live feed stream. Thanks for watching another Seiler Instrument Quick Tip.